Welcome to Everything Currency, the show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I just want to say that the Bitcoin price is pumping and I want to see where it's going to end. We're looking at it right now, looking at the Bitcoin price. You could see that in the last couple hours. I got this on the 1 hour chart right here. Now these lines look crazy because it's crazy. Like I had them down here in this little pattern and I just extended them and they ended up kind of working pretty good. So I've been using them ever since. Let me undo that. But coming right here, you can see that out of the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the last 9 hours, there's only been one red candle. So we're getting a nice pump in Bitcoin, and the halving is 3 days away. I'm excited. I don't know what's gonna happen. I think you guys all want to know what's gonna happen, and right now, as you can see, based on the fear and greed index, the market is 50-50, or 49% more people are like, you know, they're a little bit more on the happier side than the fear side, because it's 49% in the fear or whatever. So people are basically neutral right now. And that's because nobody really knows what's gonna happen. You got some things like this saying the Bitcoin miners expect the halving price to surpass 1,200. So do you think the price is gonna surpass 1,200? The miners, the people who know the most besides the developers about Bitcoin, they think so, according to this article from Cointelegraph. But it said the miners sold less Bitcoin over the last 7 days. They're highly anticipating the halving reward approaches. Now, me personally, I think, well, we still can't get over like 99.70 something. Where do we get at? Actually, we still can't get to 10,000 basically. Where's, let me put this on the chart real quick. 10,000 for me, it was 10,074, whatever, 10,069. So until we pass this 10,069, I think we're gonna have some heavy resistance. And look, we're becoming overbought, which is not good. On the daily, this chart looks crazy, but yeah, on the daily it's becoming overbought. So let me tell you though, if this gets up here and it gets overbought and it keeps springing up into more overbought territory, then that's when we're gonna see those huge dips, because those huge gains in when you see Bitcoin starts defying the indicators. It starts saying, I don't care if it's overbought. People don't care if it's overbought. They're buying in. The hype is real. Yeah, so the miners think that the price is going to reach 12,000 before they sell. Miners hoarding Bitcoin is typically not a bad sign. So we'll see. They say the average cost to mine a Bitcoin is like 4,700. So right now they could sell for profit, but they're not. So that's kind of interesting to me. So maybe they know something that we don't know. But people always say there's this big dip after the halving, and everybody's talking about this post-halving dip, and I'm hearing about it so much I'm starting to think that it's not going to happen, because that's usually how things go. And seeing that everybody's kind of 50-50 right now, you even have this article saying it's going to pass 1,200, and you have this article from the very same place saying 3 technical indicators point that the price is going to correct after the halving, and that's what I see on the chart. But see, when it comes to big news cycles, the charts, some of the indicators become useless, because when the FOMO hits, the FOMO hits. But I'll say when the RSI is overbought and you buy in, you still have to be cautious and be ready with a stop loss to get back out. I'll say buy in. It's not financial advice, but like buy in, and then when the price goes up, set your stop loss at break even. That's how I'm gonna play this halving strategy with all my because I got Bitcoin all over the place. I'm gonna have to put it all on my ledger, get it all off these different wallets. And you know, right now this price is trying its hardest to make it over 10,000 and whatever, but that 10,000 level, as you can see, is like a big level. 10,500 even is one level that you can see a lot of trading happens there. And all excuse me, got the hiccups. A lot of trading happens there. On the week, you know, I didn't really look at the week. On the week, actually the week looks kind of bullish. Let me mute all this. The week looks kind of bullish. Haven't had a red week yet, but I'm looking right here. We're not oversold, we're not overbought, and the RSI just hit the buy signal, but you can see there was a small buy signal right here and it crossed right back over. So we'll see if that happens. We're gonna be ready either way. That's the way to play this thing. If the price keeps going up, at least break even, take profit whenever you want to take profit. But for me, it's break even. This is not financial advice, but I'm at least, you know, anything that I buy in and try to play the halving run up trade. You know, there's a lot of people going to be playing this trade, so you got to have a little bit more things going for you than they do. You know, you got to have, if you have a strategy, you're already one step ahead, because most people are just going to follow what the news says. So right now, the miners thing is going to be 12K. The factors say it's going to dip to around 6,000. So what do you guys think? Let me know. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Do you think this is the run up? Do you think we're going to hit past 10K? Do you think we're going to go further than that? What do you think the Bitcoin price is going to be by the end of the week? Let me know. Till next time, peace.